The first human case of West Nile virus was detected in western Riverside County last week, but there are still no reported cases in the Coachella Valley. News Channel 3's Gavin Nguyen went to Indio to find out how mosquito populations are controlled. Gavin.
There's been 182 samples in mosquitoes that have the West Nile virus here in the Coachella Valley so far this year. Now, I spoke with the Coachella Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District today to find out what they're doing behind the scenes against this war against mosquitoes.
We want to eliminate those mosquito larvae before they fly off as adults.
It's a constant battle for Coachella Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District technicians like Miguel Vargas.
And at this point, I'm looking at the water sample and I don't see any active mosquito breeding.
At this site, Vargas samples standing water 3 times. Since he didn't see any mosquito larvae or eggs, he can move on to somewhere else in the valley. But had he seen any?
We have what's called larvicides, so it'll kill the mosquitoes and their larval stages. There's 4 stages of larvae. First, second, third, and fourth. So the larvicide kills them in those stages.
This is just one part of the Vector Control District's efforts to curb mosquito-borne illness. Inside their offices in Indio, traps used to determine if mosquitoes are infected.
The fan then sucks the mosquitoes in like a vacuum, and the mosquitoes get stuck down there.
And a fleet of vehicles ready to spray chemicals to kill mosquitoes in parts of the valley known to have breeding hotspots like Indio and Coachella. And to make sure their chemicals are working,
we also have our lab technicians in our lab that takes care of not only trapping mosquitoes but testing mosquitoes and testing the efficiency and effectiveness of the products that we're using.
13 different mosquito species live in the valley, but only 3 of them are vectors or insects that can get humans sick. The Aedes mosquito is one of those vectors, and it's responsible for dengue and Zika virus. The other 2 are part of the Culex family, which can carry the West Nile virus and others. Officials say while most cases of West Nile are minor or asymptomatic, you can still be proactive to protect yourself and your family.
The 2 main things that we ask people is ensure that there's no standing water around their homes. So walk around at least once a week and dump and drain anything that holds water. And the other is wear insect repellent. By applying insect repellent, we are protecting ourselves from potential mosquito-borne viruses.
The district says because of the warmth we experience out here in the desert, mosquitoes can go from eggs to adults in just a matter of days. So keep your insect repellent handy and check your house plants because that makes it even more important to remove standing water from inside and around your house. I'm Gavin Nguyen in Indio for News Channel 3. Back to you.
Thank you, Gavin.